Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add Affirm to Apple Pay. So if you want to use your Affirm card through Apple Wallet, just follow along. First, open the Affirm app on your iPhone and go to your Affirm card section. Look for the option to add the card to Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. Then tap on the option and follow the setup instruction. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm your information before adding the card. After it is added, open the Apple Wallet app and check that your Affirm card appears. If it appears, you can now use Apple Pay at supported location where your Affirm card is accepted. So that was how to add Affirm to Apple Pay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.